Learn animal name with meaning. Horse, ghora. Elephant means hathi. Royal Bengal tiger means bag. Lion মানে সিংহ. Giraffe means giraffe. Zebra means zebra. Dog means kukur. Hippopotamus means জলহস্তি. Thanks for watching.